Hey guys! So for our last week together, instead of doing problems of the day, I really wanted you guys to be able to do something fun. So we're going to do an escape room, a digital escape room. But there's only one downside to this. It is kind of tricky to do. So you really need to watch this video all the way through. That way you don't get confused. The rules are going to be right here. So if you want to work with a partner, like if you want to Google Hangout them and do it together, that's totally fine. It's up to you. This isn't for a grade. It's just meant to be fun, and it's to help you remember like what to do for classifying shapes. So it says New York City has launched a citywide campaign to replace its street signs. Sun-bleached signs that are difficult to read and signs with old fonts will be replaced with brand new signs. With more than 250,000 signs to replace, the metropolis spends more than $27 million on this effort. One small district in the southwest corner of the city was on this schedule for sign replacement today. Apparently, a mix-up has occurred and the district has not had their new signs installed. The old signs were removed late last evening to make room for the new signs to be installed this morning. Now, with no street signs to direct traffic, the district's in a state of chaos. Automobiles are traveling the wrong way down one-way streets. Others are parking in no parking zones, and many are speeding through the district. With the 5 p.m. rush hour just an hour away, this problem is going to get a whole lot worse very quickly. The city manager is away on vacation, and the mayor has assigned their small group of city engineers to the task of finding the district signs in the city municipal warehouse and getting them installed as soon as possible. You must hurry, though. You now only have 45 minutes to escape the gridlock. Green light, go. So the first thing, if you read the instructions up here, you are going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to start this timer. This is going to be your 45-minute timer in order to get out. After that, you'll see that this says green light go. So your very first thing to do is click on this the green light. That's why I'm saying it's going to be really important that you watch this video. So you'll see your questions and they're numbered, like 1's here, 2's over here. But what you have to do, I'm going to move my face, is you're going to have to go between this and this. So if you scroll down here, you will see a lock form right here. So it says input your responses from activity number 1. So this is considered your activity number 1. So you're going to read this and you're going to determine if it's true or false. You're just going to put an A or a B. So if it's true or false, you'll put an A or a B. You'll do that for all of them. So essentially what your answer is going to look like, and it's all capitals, no space, is like if you think it's A, B, A, B, A, B, A, whatever it is, but that's what you're going to put. So it should be answer 1, 2, 3, all in a row in the same. Then you're going to click next, and it'll tell you if you're wrong or not. The next thing it's going to take you to is up here, and you will click on Pinecrest City Hospital, and it will give you your second task. Now, something that you need to do is write your answers on a separate sheet of paper or continue to go back, because even though this is a Google form, it doesn't record your answers. So here, your answer may be A, B, or C, so you're going to put A, B, or C just like we did from the one before. And then you'll hit next for the next question and so on. But even this does not record your answers and doesn't help you move on. So after you hit next down here, it'll ask the same thing, input your response from activity number 2, and you're going to have to do the same thing. All capital, no spaces, D, B, A, C, whatever it is. And then hit next. And then you'll go on to the third activity, which is right here. Same thing, CHTLAR. So you're going to answer these questions, all 13 of them, and then you will be done. So that'll be your 45 minutes. Now you're going to do this for both today and Thursday. So something that you should know is once you start it, you can't get back into it. So that's why I'm giving you 2 days to complete this, just so that way nobody feels like they don't have time on Monday or Tuesday and they didn't get to it, because it does take 45 minutes. It's not mandatory that you do this. It's just something fun, and you can do Google Hangout with somebody to complete it if you want to. So this is going to be your problem of the day, to go through this escape room, and I hope that you like it. Like I said, this is what you're doing for today and Thursday, so there won't be another video on Thursday with me. So just make sure that you read this, you go through the directions, and if you have any trouble, let us know. If you get too frustrated with this, like I said, it's not mandatory. If you have any questions, let us know.